Welcome friends, I am Amit Mishra and you are watching your channel Quality Guru India. I have over 19 years of experience in the field of automotive product quality. I am certified IATF internal auditor and Lean Six Sigma black belt and green belt. Apart from this, I have taken many certifications and management degrees from the top business schools of India. Do you really feel that understanding quality concepts quite difficult? Then be with me till the end of the session. And I'm going to explain the concept in such a way that on your fingertips you can recall the complete concept. Let's see what Mr. Kaori Ishikawa says. 90% of all the problems can be solved by using the techniques of data, stratification, histograms, and control charts. That's why I choose to make a video on control charts. As with the help of control charts, we can solve around 30% of the problems. But the important fact is that which control chart we have to use, where, that is the key. That selection of the control chart as per the requirement can give you the benefit of solving 30% of your problems. Of course, control chart is one of the 7 QC tools we are using from a lot of times. Let's understand the history of control charts. Initially, it was shown by Mr. Sewhart in 1931. Used to monitor a process quality characteristics in order to identify its special causes of variability. As I told, proper selection of control chart is very important. And this classification of control chart I'm going to explain here is going to help you a lot in selecting the appropriate control chart. The usage of control chart is depend on the kind of the data you have. If you have attribute data or if you have variable data, then charts will change. Let's see about the variable data first. If you have variable data and the subgroup size of the data is 1, then we should use IMR chart or individual moving range chart. If the subgroup of the data is 2 to 10, then we should use X bar R chart. And if the subgroup is more than 10, then we should use X bar S chart. Let's see if the data is attribute. If the data is attribute, then two conditions fall: defects and defectives. What is defect? If any parameter of any part is out of the specification, then it is a defect. Whereas in case of defective, if a part has more than one defect, then it is defective. Let's see if the case is defects and the sample size is fixed, then we should use C chart. And if the sample size is variable, then we should use U chart. In case of defectives, if the sample size is fixed, then we should use P chart, and if the sample size is variable, then we should use NP chart. I hope I have explained this complete chart classification and the proper selection of those control charts. And with the help of these control charts, you will be able to select and apply. As I told, I'm going to give you some tip about the recall of this complete concept on the fingertips. So you have to just use 5 6 words and you can recall the complete concept. And those words are attribute data, variable data, variable data, the subgroup sizes, and according to that, you can select the chart. In the attribute data, you have to remember defects, defective, and the fixed sample size and variable sample size. With the help of that, you can easily identify the chart required. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.